Let me get my phone.
Tell me when you're ready.
Oh, fuck, come on. Almost.
Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah!
Holy fuck.
It's fucking beautiful.
God. The box is on fire.
Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The target.
Dude, that bucket split open.
Dude. Look.
My fucking breath was shaking so bad, my crosshairs were like fucking this.
Okay, I gotta get the other camera.
Yeah, dude, you're definitely right. We should do it up closer.